All right, guys, and welcome back. I hope that Andrew gave you a good explanation of what a hedge fund is, and that you have a good understanding of the traditional market and how traditionally hedge fund operates, and how the more of the traditional financial market is working. Now, as Andrew already mentioned in his presentation, we're going to talk a little bit more in depth about interest rate swaps. And we will discuss with you what is an interest rate swap, why does DeFi need interest rate swaps, and how to use interest rate swap with an interest rate swap example. What is actually also pretty cool. If we and then he will potentially also has potentially an assignment for you. What's actually interesting to see, I will also explain in the video that interest rate swaps are a big chunk of the traditional markets. So something very interesting to watch out for. If we look now at actually our like, if you look into Aave at the moment, we can actually get a fixed or a stable interest rate, as you can see. There is a fixed rate and there is a variable rate. And this has everything to do with interest rate swaps. Andrew will explain more about this concept. He will explain this really in depth. He's a professional and expert in this field. So he will talk you through all the different concepts. And in the next video with me, we're going to talk about DeFi, hedge funds, and we're going to talk about yield hacking strategies. All right, guys, see you in the next video and have fun with Andrew. Thank you.